Good morning, my fellow plant lovers. It is time to show you my plants. I just watered these today. I watered my little succulents, and as you can see, look at the little babies. See that one? And then there's that one that's having the little stems coming out as well. And then we have my white knight here with my two pink princesses, and we got our begonias as well. I watered them too. Got our monstera Thai, which is very small, very baby. There it is right there. Got our moonlight caladium, a monstera Swiss cheese, our other monstera Thai, which is big. A lot of these new plants that you see here I got from the clearance, like I always do. And this plant is you know, it's hanging in there. I looked it up. They say not to cut it, so I'm not going to. I'm just going to leave it. Culantro. We got our Chinese evergreen, our mini monstera, our calathea medallion. We got our Greek oregano. I got Ethereum, golden pothos, dumb palm. Dumb palm's doing really well. There's like new growth up there, which is nice. It seems these sucked up all the water, so I got to dump them out. These are my butterworts that are growing. They look dead, but if you can see real close, there's a green thing. So I gotta sneeze. Sorry about that. Gold dust croton. There goes my little croutons. My other croutons. Got our yellow hibiscus here. Look at how pretty. Oh, two of them bloomed. Nice. There's something eating my plants. I did spray neem oil, so the holes are not going to go away, but at least the bugs are gone. Got our two bougainvilleas. Look at how beautifully big it's growing. I'm happy. And then we got our other hibiscus as well. As you can see, these two are going to blossom any minute now. Here's my potential bonsais. They're all doing really well. They're having new growth. This one's definitely having new growth, as you can see. Very happy about that. Very happy indeed. This one, I have no idea what's going on, but it's still green, so you know what? That's a plus. We got our Texas sage that I tried making it into a bonsai, but I decided to put it back in the soil so then maybe the trunk can grow a little bit. And then we have our mandevillas and some marigolds that I put in there to keep the bugs away, because mandevillas, for some reason, the bugs love them. Got our other marigold set here with our sugar snap peas. What I like about sugar snap peas, since I put this on, look, hold on, focus, please focus, please stop focusing on the grass. Oh my god. Okay, well, since it refuses to focus. Oh, you can see it on that one. I didn't do that. All I did was this. I just like tied it. It's like I tied it, like you see that green thing, I tied it. But this, it did this. It wrapped itself around. That is so cool. And then we have our babies here too. It seems that there's something eating it, but I did spray, so I had a feeling eventually there was going to be a bug that was going to eat this. But look at how big and full they are. Oh my god. I have to eventually move these. But look at the dill. The dill is thriving. Oh, I'm so happy. Bonsai is beautiful. These orchid babies are doing a-okay. And then my chocolate is over there. I have it there because when it's windy, it like kind of goes to the side. Like it like falls over, and I don't want it to fall over, you know. Got our strawberries over here. As you can see, some of them are actually standing up. Some of them are kind of burnt, but that happens. I can't really control that. And then we have our gold mound here. We got our snake plant. We got some other new plants as well. We have our little horrors. Look at the Venus flytraps. You see how many traps they have now? I remember when they were dying. That's crazy. Not this one. This one was like beautiful, but these were dying. That's crazy. The cordal band's doing great. Pet grasses, I mean, it's grass. It's doing great. Liriope aztecs doing great. This is dragon breath. This beautiful baby right here, dragon breath, beautiful, love it. I finally cut this one down because mother said that it was okay, so I cut it to see if maybe I can salvage it. All of this brown stuff that you see here, that is cinnamon, because I'm trying to cure the wounds that I had to cut. But as you can see, the leaves are supposed to look like this. There's a new leaf coming out, so we're good so far. This is my, I'm trying to save this one. This is a hydrangea. As you can see, these are doing pretty well. I had to cut a couple of them because they were pretty at first, and then, you know, of course they die. It's just like any flower. We have our, I don't know what this is. Is this broccoli? Yeah, okay, this is broccoli. We have our broccoli, we have our red onion, we have our sweet pepper, we have our cauliflower, more marigolds, because, you know, I gotta keep the marigolds going, you know. So this is actually I saved this one, so hopefully it blooms. This is all of our cherry tomatoes, and look at it. I am so proud. I grew this from seed, guys, from seed. Look at it. Oh my God, you're so beautiful. I just wanna squeeze. I'm just so happy. I'm so happy. Look at it. You can really see it from afar too. Woo! Beautiful. We got our secresias here, and they're blooming a little bit of flowers. Got our rose bushes. I tested them all. It looks dry at the top, but I promise you, I tested them all. And why? Really? I'm trying to do a video here. Well, I thought they were. Oh, are they done? Nope, and they're not done yet. Okay, I think they're done for now. These are my roses. I have a desert rose in between, because regular roses, from what I heard, they do not have pests, or they're like pest resistant, you know. So I thought maybe by putting them next to each other, you know, maybe that they won't have as many pests, because I noticed the desert roses, they tend to have a lot of pests. So you can see, remember when this one was completely bare? Look at how big and beautiful these leaves are. Look at this one. This one is just thriving, okay? And so is this one. This one's also thriving, and this one's gonna bloom eventually. And here we go. I actually had to chop off this geranium. I believe this was the red one, right? Yeah, this is the red one. I had to chop it off because it was dying. The white one bloomed, as you can see. The pink one is hanging in there. The other pink one's hanging in there. Marigolds, thriving as always. Pentas, I had to cut a couple, but it's still doing pretty well. Got our lantana, that's really blooming. I love it. Look at our gladiotus, that was from seed. Look at how long it is. We're gonna have to replant it somehow. Gotta get more pots. And then there's these babies, which this one is not gonna survive, which is fine. Let me remove that. But this one and this one seems to be doing pretty well. I'm trying to propagate, so. And then we have our petunia, which is beautiful. Our Cuphea, which is beautiful. It's blooming new flowers. We have our Evolus. I don't know how to pronounce it. You see, it has that one flower. Citronella. We got our oregano here. I had to move it because oregano I had to put in a bigger pot, and it's not short enough for me to put it in the shelf. So we got all of our babies here. Got all of our sweet basil here. Got our jalapeno, which is doing great. And we also got our sweet peppers, our onions, and our lemon basil. And we also have our strawberry alpine, which is doing beautifully. And we got our other cauliflower and broccoli, our peppermint, and our cilantro. And we have another baby. Let me show you. Now I know where I'm from, it doesn't get cold, so this one might not survive. However, look at the green apple. You can't see it yet, but if you look deep in there, which I can't show you because I want to keep it covered, it actually grew from seed. One of my partners opened up an apple, and one of the seeds had something growing out. So they came running out here and was like, oh my god, look. So I just planted it. Well, we'll see what happens, you know. But if anything, I'll see what people down here do in Florida, and I'll see exactly what they do to keep like green apple trees alive. But yeah, guys, so that's it for me. That's my little plant checkup. So please like, share, and subscribe, and comment, and I will see you guys next time when I do another plant checkup. Bye bye.